Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I am going to be giving you guys a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this style. This is basically like a 90s updo type of style. Very messy, very undone, but still very cute, very chic, very easy to do. That's what's most important, is that it's very easy. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this style, then make sure you keep watching. Alright, so here I am looking raggedy in my robe, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna let y'all know that my hair is not fresh. I actually probably need to wash it. There's no probably about it, girl. I need to wash my hair. She's filthy. It's been 2 weeks since I washed and straightened my hair, but I almost never do this style on freshly washed hair. But the first thing that I am going to do, and that you should do too, use a heat protectant. And the heat protectant that I'm going to be using is from Olaplex. I have showed this to y'all several times on my channel. I love this Olaplex oil. It's the No. 7 Bonding Oil, and it can be used as a heat protectant. I literally just put like 3 drops in my hand, and I'm going to just mainly focus this on my ends. And you guys, I do still have my tape ends in, and I kind of wanted to show this to y'all on just my hair, but I'm struggling because I'm trying to keep these tape ends in for as long as I can, because I also want to show y'all tape in maintenance. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to brush out my hair first. So here we are, my hair is all the way detangled. First of all, you want to have your heating tool warmed up. Today, I'm going to be using this Remington curling wand to throw some curls in my hair, real loose curls. What I'm going to do next is section out the 2 front pieces of my hair. Sometimes I like to just do 1 piece of hair, like 1 big swoop bang kind of situation, but today I'm going to do 2. You can do them as thin or as thick as you like. I think this is how much hair I'm gonna leave out. Now I'm just going to loosely pull my hair up, and I'm gonna pull it all the way up to the top of my head. And it's okay if you have like some little stragglers hanging out in the back or like right here by your ears. So now that we've got our hair up in a ponytail, I'm gonna pull just a couple of really thin pieces of hair down in the back, 1 on each side. And it's okay if it gets the ponytail messy. We are halfway there. We've got our hair up in a ponytail. Now what I'm gonna do is throw some really just loose, messy curls into the ponytail. I'm just gonna wrap my hair right around my curling wand. And remember, you guys, you don't have to have perfect curls, because we're just gonna loosely pin this up anyway. That's the thing that I love about this hairstyle, is that it doesn't have to be super neat to look good. And we're just going to curl all around, make sure we don't have any straight pieces. My hair is all curled up. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to take 1 smallish piece of hair and wrap it around the base, so that we don't have the elastic band showing, because I'm not a fan of that. And what I didn't tell y'all at the beginning of this, which I should have told y'all, is make sure you got a lot of bobby pins, because that's what you're gonna need to like secure the updo part of your hair. You can very well leave it like this. I actually really like my hair like this. All I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm just gonna like take 1 side of my hair first and just kind of start to loosely, very loosely wrap it around. There is no real method to my madness other than kind of piling my hair on top of my head and getting it to where I like it. And I do start to kind of pin it when it starts to like form how I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my first pin in the front, and make sure that it's loose, y'all. Like, you don't want to be piling your hair and pinning it really tight, because this is not like a tight style. And I'm just going to take this piece over here, kind of wrap it again, pin it. And it's okay to pin the curls and then pull them back out. Like I said, this is a very loose, messy style. And you just want to really just kind of pull at it, tease it a bit until you get it to how you like it. Now I'm going to take those pieces that I had in the back and just loosely curl them around and kind of pull at it. Then I have this little piece by my ear. I'm going to kind of curl that. I actually kind of like the way that these look now, but this one is kind of doing what I wanted to do, so I'm just gonna re-curl this. All right. Okay, y'all, so that is actually it. This is the style. Like I said, very messy, very undone, but still very chic, very cute, very classy, very elegant. I love a cute little updo, especially like I said when my hair is dirty, or if I previously had some curls in and I just want to throw it up and make it look like something because the curls are just kind of limp. This is what I'll do to my hair to make it look like something again. This is how the back looks. I always tell y'all I don't know what the back is looking like because I never look at the back. It just is what it is. So I hope it looks cute. It feels like it looks cute. But yeah, y'all, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you are looking to do this style or a style like this, shoot me a note down in the comments and let me know if this was helpful for you or if you plan on doing this style. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not already, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on. And if you like this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.